if you could possibly read it for us, Ollie.
Yep, I'll read this one. So 3 clients decide to go into business together. They each invest equal amounts of capital in the business and agree to share the profits equally. After 2 years, the business has made a loss and the clients no longer believe the business is viable. Have the 3 clients been working in partnership together? A, yes, because they are in business together and intended to make a profit, even though they have made a loss. B, yes, because they agree to invest equal amounts of capital in the business. C, no, because they have not entered into a written partnership agreement. D, no, because they have not registered themselves as a partnership. Or E, no, because they agreed to share profits equally, but did not agree how to share losses between them.
So the answer is between 2 yes. I think it's very obvious. And it's about your understanding of definition of when the partnership is formed, yeah? Because it's formed when people who want to run business together with a view of profits. So that's actually takes us to the A, which is very clear. And B provides to us an answer because they agreed to invest equally into the capital of the business. I think we can invest equally into capital of many things. It doesn't make us partners, though.
Yeah,
So,
and it also doesn't necessarily make a difference whether the capital contribution was equal or unequal. So, it's something we can disregard.
SRA is to introduce changes to the multiple choice questions. They finally want to give different score for different questions, because I don't know how much you would give to this question, but I think it's so obvious. That's great. So some new changes to the SQE1 tasks.